Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, a masterpiece of engineering and design. Its stunning AMOLED display, coupled with a razor-thin bezel, offers an immersive viewing experience like never before. Which will be featuring 14.6-inch Super AMOLED display, 2960 by 1848 pixels resolution, and 120 Hz refresh rate as rumored. It also rumored to be powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite or Exynos 2500, running on octa-core CPU, Adreno 750 or Eclipse 920 GPU, cutting-edge processor. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra will deliver unparalleled performance. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or multitasking, this tablet handles it all with ease. S Pen stylus, quad speakers with AKG tuning, in-display fingerprint sensor, 5G connectivity. All new S Pen takes productivity and creativity to new heights with advanced features like air gestures and precise pressure sensitivity. You can effortlessly sketch, annotate, and control your tablet. Power through your day with a 12,000 mAh battery and 45W fast charging. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra's long-lasting battery. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or working, this tablet keeps up with your fast-paced lifestyle. Capture stunning photos and videos with 108MP main sensor plus 12MP ultra-wide plus 10MP telephoto and a 12MP plus 12MP wide angle. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra's advanced camera system. From stunning landscapes to detailed portraits, every shot is a masterpiece. It will come with a configuration of 12GB or 16GB RAM, 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB storage and microSD card slot. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra redefining the future of tablets. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.